Hello guys, how are you? My name is Ahmad and you are watching TEM Animation. Top 5 ultra realistic models of Carnage drawing cartoon 2. If you missed any part of the video so you can't understand everything, because in this video I am going to show you a tutorial of how to download Carnage from my website and which Carnage you get on my website, which quality and how many graphics providing by creator. Wait guys, not one thing, link is no description and let's get start. Link you get indirectly in this video. I mean you need to find the link on Google by searching one thing, and the one thing I am providing in this video. So please don't miss any part of the video. Let's get start. In the end of the video I show you how you can download these models. But first let's checking the models, how many graphics are here. So number 5, Carnage by CV Animation. CV Animation providing the quality of the character is 480. Number 4, Carnage by Noob Mars Studio. But he is providing Venom weapons at least 5 or 4. And he is really looking very good model of Carnage in drawing cartoon too. And he is such a very best model of Carnage. His head, his tongue, his weapons in drawing cartoon too made by CV Animation. 700 to 600p, and guys this model is looking very good with his all weapons and with his webs and fully shade model. So now let's zoom the image and check how many qualities decrease. So let's start the quality testing. I think now guys the quality is 144p. Now guys comment how many quality you see in this image. So let's come to number 3. Number 3, Carnage by 2D Animo YouTube channel. And the quality of the model is HD, very best model of the Carnage made by 2D Animo YouTube channel. As you can see he is providing 4 to 5 weapons and guys with his all webs. Note the model is very realistic, and the quality of the model around 1200. And guys all models I am showing you in this video, these all are free. So let's zoom the image of the model and let's start quality testing. Start now. So let's check the zoom out quality. I think the zoom out quality is guys 2K. Let's zoom in the model. I think the zoom in quality guys is 240. Now guys comment how many quality you see in this. Carnage by Papercraft Animation. And guys note one thing is very good. The quality is 1444 and the model really good with his all weapons and movable character. And guys you can remove any part of the Carnage. It's guys removable and jointable character. His tongue, his weapon, his hand, everything you remove, you can remove and you can joint. Everything is very good model quality and everything. So now guys let's start the quality testing of the model. First let's zoom out. Here is no change guys, quality is same. So now start the zoom in testing. Very good model of Carnage. Zoom in quality is 360, which is very good model quality. Number 1, very best model of Carnage made by Noob Mars Studio VK. Ultra realistic model of Carnage with his movable hands, movable body, movable tongues, movable head, movable body, movable webs. With his ultra realistic shade, seriously guys, ultra realistic shade, very best quality of the model you get, very best. Without wasting any more time, let's start the quality testing. First guys let's zoom out. The zoom out quality of the model around 2K. Now guys, let's zoom in. So the zoom in quality of the model around 480, which is very good in these two 2D models. So now guys, I showed you top 5 very best models of Carnage. Now guys, let's come to the tutorial and guys how you can download these characters. So let's start the tutorial.